going on, guys? My name is Jay Bernard. Welcome to today's vlog. It is Thursday out now. It's Thursday. We're leaving tomorrow, which really sucks, but I hooked up my Acaso here to the bike, and we're gonna go on a bike ride, which is super exciting. I can't wait to see how the footage from that guy comes out. And yeah, so real quick before we get any farther into this video, make sure you hit that, guys, you hit that like button down below and just subscribe, turn on post notifications, and yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, guys, so we've been on our bike ride for quite a while now. I'm out on the beach right now. There's where we just were. Those are the hotels that we are staying at. We can't even see our hotel. We just see some hotels that we see. But that's crazy. We are insanely far away. It's cool, but yeah. So we're gonna go a little bit farther. Our hotel is on like 3rd or something like that. So we're trying to reach 100th Street, and we're like way into the residential area now. Like, as you can see, like this is like all grass and everything. That's probably someone's like private boat. Like those people, they probably live here. But like this is like the beach where no one really goes to except if you like actually live here, which is kind of cool. But like all the residential houses, they look so cool. I'm sure you guys have been seeing plenty of them in the GoPro footage, and I'm not sure how I'm going to really handle this, but there's going to be a full separate video on my channel of all of the footage from our bike rides, just so you guys can see like everything. So if you want to see that, go hit that link. The link for that will be in the description. And yeah, but in this video, I'm pretty sure the GoPro footage is going to be sped up in some spots and maybe cut out, but I don't know. So if you want to see that whole thing, make sure you go hit that link down below. And then once you're done watching that, return to this video. Alright, guys, just a few seconds away from leaving to the beach. Alright, guys, here we go. There's our view, by the way. It's amazing. But, yeah. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Oh, actually, with this elevator, there's something I want to tell you guys. Hopefully I don't forget about this elevator. It's kind of really funny. But, you know, I'm already down by now, so I'm not going to do that now. But I'll tell you later if I don't forget. Alright, guys, so now we're at a restaurant right now where we're in this like really cool, like, I don't know what to call it. I think it's called a glider, but you can move around and it's cool. Anyway, we're at this place now and we're having dinner, and they're playing Zootopia over there. You cannot see, but you probably can't because this camera's zoom is the equivalent of a potato. Zootopia. Congratulations.
Everybody go! One! Everybody go! Two! Everybody go! Three! Oh God, it's a lot of fire. That was done, son! Get in. Wait, that's your wife? Good. Okay, we're gonna do this for her. All right. How was your bachelorette party? Not that fun? This will make it better. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit it!
It's raining men.
Hit it! Yeah! That's weird. His jiggles. Lean it back a little bit, away from John. More. Stop. Soft. Lean me back a little bit, more away from John. A little bit more. Stop to my left towards, it's Brandon. Brian, I'm getting. I do a lot of shows a year, okay? Before you run away, remember to let go. Be surprised. Some guys like, honey, look, I got a souvenir. Show's over. Lean me to my left towards Brian. More. Lean me backwards, away from the audience. As far as you can, guys. Lean me back. John, bring your hands down, right there. A little bit more. Stop. On 3, you two let go and run away. Steve, behind you, some of my equipment. Watch out for it. Brian, behind you are small, fragile children. They're not mine. I don't care. The truth hurts, and so does it when I fall. John, you stay there. All right. 1, 2, 3. Let go. Give these two guys a round of applause. John, I am going to let go of your hands and grab them again. This is how I test my balance. Don't move. You're going to toss me those clubs one at a time right up to here. Can you do that? Give it a good firm toss right up to here for me. Yeah, just toss it straight right here. Don't let it flip. Good, Aaron. Toss the first one right to here on the count of 3 for me. 1, 2, 3. Caught it. It was a little early. Let's try it again. Okay, toss me club number 2 right up here on the count of 3. Now, yeah, that's club number 3. That's number 2. Can you switch them? They're all the same, Aaron. You can switch them back if you want. Don't do it. Aaron, go ahead and toss club number 2 right up to here on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Toss. Oh, crap, that was real. Aaron, I almost fell in love. All right. All right, Aaron, on the count of 3, you're going to toss me that last club. And if I catch it, everyone's going to give you a big cheer. But if you hit me, they're probably going to cheer louder. Yeah, but I got 2 of them. I will hit you. Sorry. All right. Aaron, on 3, toss me that last club for your big round of applause. 1, 2, 3. Toss and cheer. Aaron. Well, I've got a nice big audience tonight. Thank you for watching my show. And in case you don't know who I am, my name is John Norton. I am the Flaming Ginger, and this is my show. Grand finale, everyone clap with me. Come on now, let's make this memorable. Everybody, clap your hands, follow my rhythm. Clap, everybody, clap your hands. Clap, I hope my show was worth the laughs, maybe even at 5. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. Make some noise, I can't do this long. Louder. Watch this. 1, 2, 3. Check it out, all shows end with one thing. On 3, you'll know what to do for me. 1, 2, 3.